Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today, guys, I have shared with you crochet cardigans design. So elegant, so perfectly, so gorgeous designs. We are more elegant videos and daily basis designs are so stunning videos. Are amazing designs uploaded for you. These are so amazing crochet cardigans designs. Are too long or too short, so depending on your choice. Please visit my channel. These are more elegant ideas for lady to crochet work. Are so amazing design. Are so gorgeous videos. अमेजिंग gorgeous आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किए जाते हैं crochet cardigans designs. May Allah keep laughing, keep smiling, keep showering in the same way. I mean, you look so beautiful designs, and every designs we are more elegant designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. For so elegant, so gorgeous, so perfectly designs, you look so amazing design. Amazing ideas are uploaded for you. These are so amazing designs, and every design of you are uploaded for you. So feedback this comment. I am waiting for this comment. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.